Hello, my dear students. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will study about Chapter 7, that is Independence Days. But firstly, we will discuss about previous class homework. In previous class, I had given you to learn and write about dried fruits and nuts. So, let us see. Fill in the blanks. First, name the dried fruit that are obtained by drying grapes and are a good source of energy and protein. So, tell me name of the dried fruit that are obtained by drying grapes. Yes, this is raisins. This is raisins means किशमिश. किशमिश हमें किससे प्राप्त होता है? ड्राइंग ग्रैप्स से, यानी कि ग्रैप्स को सुखाने पे हमें क्या मिलता है? किशमिश. ओके. सेकंड, डेज आर रिच इन कार्बोहाइड्रेट एंड आर एन एक्सीलेंट सोर्स ऑफ डाइटरी फाइबर. सो टेल मी द नेम ऑफ दिस ड्राइड फ्रूट. दिस इज फिग्स. Figs means अंजीर. Number third, name the dried fruit that is very effective in maintaining hemoglobin levels and are an excellent for the brain and skin. Okay, so this is almonds. This is almonds. We know almond is very effective in maintaining hemoglobin level and it is excellent for sharp brain. Okay. Number 4, walnuts are regarded as brain food because their cell is shaped like a human skull and the kernel resemble as brain. Okay, so this is walnut. Walnut are regarded as brain food. Okay. Number 5, dash are green and purple colored nuts. This is an excellent source of vitamin B6 and they are also referred to as smiling pistachio. So this is pistachio. Pistachio are green and purple colored nuts and it is also an excellent source of vitamin B6. Okay. So now we will start our today's chapter. Chapter 7, Independence Days. Often in history, countries have been conquered and ruled by other countries. This is called colonization. मीन्स कि पहले बहुत सारे देश जो छोटे छोटे देश थे उस पर जो बहुत शक्तिशाली देश होते थे वो उनको जीत कर या किसी भी तरह से उन पर शासन किया करते थे. उस देश पे अपना औपनिवेश किया करते थे, वहाँ पे अपना शासन चलाया करते थे. एंड आवर इंडिया वॉज ऑल्सो colonized by Britishers. They ruled over us for 300 years approximately. Through the lot of struggle and sacrifices of patriots, we got independence on 15th August 1947. And on the occasion of this day, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August of every year. So, जैसे कि हमें पता है कि ब्रिटिशर्स ने भी हमारे देश पे औपनिवेश किया था. उन्होंने एक तरह से हमारे देश को अपने कब्जे में लेके लगभग 300 सालों तक भारत पे उन्होंने अपना शासन किया. उसके बाद बहुत ज़्यादा ही स्ट्रगल के बाद हमारा देश इंडिपेंडेंट हो पाया, हमारा देश आज़ाद हो पाया. और हमें आज़ादी कब मिली? 15 अगस्त 1947. और हम इसीलिए हर साल 15 अगस्त को क्या मनाते हैं? इंडिपेंडेंस डे. ठीक, तो उसी तरह और भी जो देश हैं उन पे जो बड़े शक्तिशाली देश हैं अपना कब्जा जमा लेते हैं, अपना औपनिवेश बना लेते हैं। सो दिस इज कॉल्ड कोलोनाइजेशन। और जो कंट्री छोटे कंट्री पे अपना औपनिवेश बनाती है उनको क्या बोलते हैं हम? कोलोनाइजर्स। ओके, सो नाउ वी विल स्टडी अबाउट these countries. Now we will start from first. As you can see here, this is the flag of Zimbabwe. This is the flag of Zimbabwe. And Zimbabwe got independence on 18th April 1980. Okay, and now you can unscramble the name of this country. You can unscramble the name of this country. Yes, this is United Kingdom. This is United Kingdom. So Zimbabwe attained freedom from United Kingdom on 18th April 1980. Okay, so now tell me, when Zimbabwe celebrated their Independence Day? So Zimbabwe celebrated their Independence Day every 18th April. Okay, second one is Cuba. And look carefully, this is the flag of Cuba. And Cuba got independence on 20 May 1902. 20 May 1902 from United States. So Cuba attained freedom from United States of America on 20 May 1902. Okay, number third, Finland. This is the flag of Finland. And Finland got independence on 6th December 1917. 6th December 1917. And Cuba got freedom from Russia. Cuba got freedom from Russia. Okay, number fifth, that is Malaysia. That is Malaysia. And this is the flag of Malaysia. So Malaysia attained freedom from United Kingdom. Malaysia attained freedom from United Kingdom on 31st August 1957. 31st August 1957. It means after 10 years of our independence. After 10 years of our independence. हमने इंडिपेंडेंस कब प्राप्त किया था? 1947 में, और मलेशिया 1957 में। तो हमारे इंडिपेंडेंट होने के 10 ईयर आफ्टर। ओके, नंबर फिफ्थ, अल्जीरिया. Number fifth is Algeria. This is the flag of Algeria. And Algeria got independence on 5 July 1962. Algeria got independence on 5th July 1962 from France. Algeria attained freedom from France. Okay. And number 6 is South Korea. This is the flag of South Korea. And South Korea got independence on 15th of August 1945. So this is the same date as our independence. Yeah, we also got independence on 15th August, but 2 years after of South Korea. It means 15 August 1947. And South Korea got independence on 15th August 1945, and South Korea attained freedom from Japan. Okay. Number 7th, Myanmar. Number 7th is Myanmar. This is the flag of Myanmar, and Myanmar got independence on 4th January 1948, and Myanmar got freedom from United Kingdom. Okay. And number 8 is Rwanda. Number 8, Rwanda, and this is the flag of Rwanda, and Rwanda got independence on 1st July 1962. On 1st July 1962, and Rwanda attained freedom from Belgium. And now this is your homework time. You have to write and learn the Independence Day and colonizers' name of given countries from the book. Okay, so here this is colonizers' name and this is country, and in middle when these countries got independence. You have to write and learn. Okay.